we got ourselves a new alternator. This alternator comes with a lifetime warranty because this is going to be the 4th alternator I've bought for this car. And I keep going through them like nobody's business. Anyways, new alternator, remanufactured from AutoZone. We'll see how long this thing lasts, if it'll survive the abuse that this thing's going to put it through. We need to take off the clutch style pulley, and we're going to put on our clutchless style pulley. Remove this cover because I need access to basically whatever. You take a, what is this? 17 kind of, I guess, inverted socket deal. Perfect. You're going to take a screwdriver and jam it into the blade to prevent it from spinning. Crack this thing loose. There we go. Whew. Lock nut, and we're going to just lock it down there. There we go. Yep. And then all buttoned up. Let's see if we can crank this thing, and that's not have a belt squeal. So right there, that just cleared up the belt. So now that's perfect, because now the all the belt squealing has been corrected. We got the new alternator on, no noise. The pulleys were just aligned, which is perfect. And yeah, now we're ready to hit the road. All right, so that clears up pretty much majority of the problems that we've been having lately, and we just have one last issue to address, which is going to be the exhaust header leak, and that'll be for another video. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like button, give a comment, and if you're new here, go ahead and think about subscribing. Talk to y'all later.